Zhongshan Fengmei Lighting Technology Company Limited was established in 2017 and is located in Zhongshan, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 10,000 square meters and has 70 employees. We are specialized in developing and producing a wide range of decorative ceiling fan. Our company has rich experience in the decorative ceiling fan industry. Our main products include all types of ceiling fan with lights. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as South American, Spanish, Indian, Vietnam. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Our company has full quality control system and professional testing equipment to strictly control the product quality. Our company obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. We also undertake OEM and ODM orders. Whether you choose a product from our current catalog or want help in engineering applications, please feel free to contact our customer service center and let us know your purchasing requirements. Facing the future, we will constantly improve ourselves, keep innovating and updating to provide better products and service. Let's join our hands to create a brilliant future.